Hello and welcome. I'm your astrologer N Baksh and you're watching Sitaro Ka Safar. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming lunar eclipse happening on March 14th, 2025. Will this lunar eclipse open new doors for you or bring unexpected challenges? In this video, we'll take a closer look at how this powerful event might influence your financial and emotional well-being. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. For Leo moon sign, the lunar eclipse occurs in the first house, which governs self-identity, health, confidence, and emotions. The moon represents the mind, and its eclipse in the first house creates emotional turbulence, self-doubt, and energy fluctuations. Since your ruling planet, the sun, is in the 7th house and combusts with Saturn, relationships, both personal and professional, may feel strained. This period may bring mental stress, self-doubt, or sudden mood swings. You may feel lost, confused, or indecisive about future plans. You may also face physical exhaustion, digestive issues, or headaches due to stress. Conflicts in partnerships might occur due to Saturn's combust state. Since this eclipse also impacts your 2nd house, financial and speech-related matters may see disturbances. Ketu in Virgo warns against impulsive money decisions or conflicts with family over finances. You will face some challenges in job stability and career growth, such as delays in promotions and job recognition, so avoid workplace conflicts. You might face decision-making struggles and you may second-guess career choices. There will be emotional instability affecting your workplace performance, so stay disciplined. There might be tension with bosses or seniors, so avoid unnecessary confrontations. There will be some opportunities in this lunar eclipse for you as well. It is a great time for introspection and strategic career planning. Skill enhancement such as learning a new professional skill will benefit you later. Jupiter in the 10th house ensures long-term career growth if patience is maintained. There will be some risk in business growth and investments, such as the stock market and crypto will have fluctuations, so avoid high-risk investments. Saturn combust in the 7th house can cause delays in contracts or disputes. Prices may fluctuate in real estate. This would be a good period for long-term investment, but not for quick profits. There will be some opportunities in this lunar eclipse as well. You can invest in tangible assets with long-term potential, such as gold, land, stable mutual funds. Use this time to reassess business strategies rather than expanding aggressively. Payments owed to you may get delayed, so patience will be required. If planning a loan, read all the documents carefully, as hidden clauses may create issues. Avoid unnecessary debts, as financial caution is crucial during this period. There will be short-term financial instability due to 2nd house influence. Long-term financial stability remains intact if impulsive decisions are avoided. Avoid large expenses for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Donate white foods like milk, rice, sugar, or silver to stabilize moon's impact. Wear a silver ring or use a silver utensil for drinking water, which helps in calming emotional instability. Practice meditation or deep breathing to maintain mental clarity. Postpone all major financial decisions for 5 days before and after the eclipse. Strengthen Mercury by avoiding harsh speech and being mindful of financial commitments. Eat light, sattvic foods to minimize stress-related health issues. Keep a calm approach in business and personal conversations and avoid impulsive reactions. Since the eclipse happens in the 1st house, it also influences the 2nd house due to cusp placement. Let's see what this means for you in the 1st house. You will face emotional fluctuations, self-identity struggles, and potential overreaction in personal or professional matters. In relation to the 2nd house, watch your finances carefully, avoid risky investments, and be mindful of your speech. Since Ketu is in Virgo, sudden financial ups and downs are possible. If investing in anything, analyze carefully before proceeding. This lunar eclipse is a period of intense self-reflection for Leo natives, affecting confidence, emotions, and financial decisions. The Dhaya period makes things slow and challenging, but careful planning and patience will bring stability. Temporary career setbacks may occur, but long-term prospects remain strong. Financial decisions should be well planned, so avoid risky investments or loans. Ego clashes in personal and professional life should be handled with care. Avoid emotional reactions and practice self-discipline to maintain stability. health should be a priority, so focus on mental well-being and physical fitness. While this eclipse brings challenges, it also offers a chance to reset priorities, reassess goals, and work on long-term financial stability. With strategic planning, patience, and simple remedies, Leo natives will emerge stronger and wiser after the eclipse. And that's all for today's video. I hope this gave you some clarity on how the lunar eclipse of March 14, 2025 might affect your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Take care of yourself, stay positive, and as always, keep following the paths written in the stars. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.